viruses. At the Royal Hospital, Chelsea, the annual ceremony of the Christmas cheeses. Caerphilly, Cheddar, Wensleydale, you name it. Presented by Lieutenant General Sir Ian Jacob. And cut by the oldest pensioner, William Avery, ex-Royal Marines, at 92, still capable of some pretty swordplay. The ceremony dates back to 1691, when the then governor of the hospital instructed a London cheesemonger to supply pensioners with cheese from Gloucestershire at 3p per pound. And of course double Gloucesters included among the 9 cheeses on show. With its tradition and pageantry, the ceremony continues to this day, one of the few things left unchanged in a changing world. With beer and cheese and a pretty girl, no wonder old soldiers never die. Flaine, the ski resort in France, 44 miles from